Hello everybody. So today I welcome you to Kesaria Textile Company and one more video and very new and amazing collections. My name is Mamita Shah and today I'm going to introduce you to a very good personality whose name is Mr. Sudhanshu Antani.
Hello everybody.
So he is the one, he is very experienced person and he mostly provides us information about business, how to do your business and how to do your business in a profitable way. So most of the times I show you the collections, but today we are going to talk about the cotton sarees, cotton collection and how to run, if you want to run cotton saree businesses in your country or in your state. So over to him.
Thank you. Thank you. First of all, I welcome you all to the video which is worth millions of dollars.
Yes.
Secondly, I personally thank my colleague Momita for giving me an opportunity to share beautiful thoughts with you. Friends, once we are on the topic of this cotton, let me tell you the true figure. India, do you know friends? India is the only country which exports $113 million cotton fabric to only America, that is United States of America. Forget about the other countries where Kesaria exports more than what their requirement is. I hope I'm right.
Yes.
Okay, you
There
can
are so
continue.
many countries, like only US is the number one who consumes most of the cotton, but there are like Dubai, there is like Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Mauritius, so many different Malaysia, different countries who are the biggest consumers of cotton. So today I'm going to show you beautiful cotton. Those will be in cotton silk, lychee silk and cotton sarees and different type of cotton. As you can see, there are so many variations on the table and the amount starts from 265 rupees only.
Oh
Yes.
my goodness, only 265 rupees per
Yes.
saree?
Yes.
My goodness. And friends, do you know, India is getting more and more hotter day by day. When after the Holi season goes away, Holi festival passes away, we will be sweating like anything.
Yes.
And that time, you will remember only one fabric, and that is cotton.
And not only in India, sir, there are so many different countries who focuses on cotton because it is one of the most comfortable fabric and very fashionable fabric. And in cotton, you can see so many variations
Yes,
nowadays.
yes.
Like there are mix and match in cotton. Like if I talk about this is lychee cotton with a blend of silk. So there are so many different variations. And let me tell you, friends, whichever collection I'm showing you, you like it, you can just take a screenshot and post it on the number which is there on the screen.
Yes.
And you will get all the details.
Yes, friends.
Yes.
Let me add over here. On the screen, the mobile number is mentioned.
Yes.
You can please contact us. Be transparent. You can purchase the sarees on online facilities too. And secondly, cash on delivery facility is also available. You can just give a ring. We will make a video call. We will just show you all same varieties which the madam is showing us.
Yes.
And with the same rate and the best quality will be yours.
Yes, you can purchase on video call also. So there are customers from Kerala, from Nepal, from all over the world. Even if they were customers from Uganda before a few days, right?
And Kesaria is
Sir,
exporting
yes.
this fabric to more than 80 countries.
Yes. So whenever the customer is coming very first time, the second time what happens, they trust us so much that they order us on online website only, on online platform only. So if you are planning to come, you can come. But if you are not able to come, then also I think, sir.
Yes, very
Yes.
nicely said. If you cannot come in person, you can definitely book your orders by online facility.
Yes.
Cash on delivery, you can pay in advance. If you are here, we'll be the luckiest people to see you in person. But
Yes.
online facility is also available.
Yes. Yeah. Let me be very clear that cash on delivery is available only in India.
Yes. Let me remind you.
Yes.
You have nicely put it.
Yeah.
Because the countries other than where we want to export.
Yes.
The technicalities
Yes.
is very difficult. So we have kept it limited to our
India.
own Indian country.
But yeah, worldwide shipping is available. Once you place an order, within 24 hours, their products will be packed and we'll try to ship it in 24 hours only.
Yes, and let me put a point over here.
Yes.
If you place an order, we dispatch, the fabric reaches you.
Yes.
But in between, the responsibility lies on Kesaria till and until it reaches your good
Yes.
hand.
Yes. Yes. So most of the time what happens, there are natural calamities which are coming nowadays. There are so many variations of tsunami and earthquake. So people are worried that if we order and something happens in between, who will bear the consumption, who will bear the loss? So,
Yes,
expenses.
you're right.
Everything is on Kesaria Textile Company until and unless it reaches to you.
Definitely.
Yes.
Natural calamities, theft,
Yes.
fire, whatever can happen
Yes,
in this
yes, yes.
crucial time of the day. But then we are saying that the material will be our responsible till and until it reaches your home.
Destination. Yes. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please comment your name and city, because we want to know from which city you're watching our video. And if you like this type of combination videos, do comment me. We'll try to bring up more and more combinations video. And you can see on the table, we have so many different varieties still yet to come on my next video. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you again. Thank you.
Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम